What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. Today I'm going to open up my monthly subscription of the Rookie Card Explosion Box, and this one is volume 30. So let's go ahead and open this guy up, take a quick look at the checklist, go down the list as we go, grab out our packs, and there we have it. All right, first up, we got 2016 Topps Chrome. And here we'll be looking for Corey Seager, Trey Turner, Trevor Story, Ketel Marte, and Carlos Correa. Correa has an auto in here, so wish me luck. Okay. We got a Freddie Freeman. Not bad. We got a Brandon Phillips refractor. Jung Ho Kang, Future Stars, and Jackie Bradley Jr. So we didn't get any of the big guys in there. Next pack's going to be 2018 Topps Series 1. Searching for Rafael Devers, Walker Buehler, Ozzie Albies, Alex Verdugo, and Jack Flaherty. All right. John Jasso, Eduardo Rodriguez, Austin Hayes, Richard Urania, rookie. A Don Mattingly throwback. It's pretty cool. Tyler Saladino, Ariel Miranda. Oh, there's the Verdugo rookie. Nice. Cool. Having a great season with the Red Sox. Robbie Ray, Jonathan Villar. Okay, cool. Got the Verdugo autograph. Rookie card. So that's pretty awesome. All right. Here we have 2019 Bowman. This is a retail pack. Looking for Julio Rodriguez, Luciano, and the big boy Wander Franco, who's about to make his debut on Tuesday. So looking forward to that. Hopefully we can pull one of his cards out of here. That'd be pretty awesome. Never did pull the chrome. As you can see, I pulled the paper. It came back a 10, but still haven't pulled one of those chrome cards. All right. Francisco Lindor, Mookie Betts, Ozzie Albies, Ramon Laureano rookie. Not bad. Ryan Borucki, Chance Adams rookie, Michael Chavis. Looks like we got some kind of refractor here. Oh, this is one of those Bowman throwbacks. That's of Michael Kopech, I believe. 30th anniversary rookie card. Not too bad. Corey Ray, Sean Murphy, chrome. Lucan Baker, MJ Melendez. All right, well, no wonder in there. Next up, Series 2, 2019. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Fernando Tatis Jr., Eloy Jimenez. I believe some other guys in here too. All right, wish me luck. Ben Gamel, Tyler O'Neill, Future Stars, Jacob Faria. Oh, I see Padres, and it's the landscape card. I don't know unless it's Oh, 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 baby! Yeah. Wow. Sweet. All right. Not bad. I'll take it. Cool. Now we're cooking. All right, we got Jared Dyson, Ji-Man Choi, gold 150-year stamp, Leonis Martin, Scott Kingery, Future Stars, Drew Verhagen, Chad Pinder, Daniel Palka, and Brandon Morrow and Sandy Leone. All right, great pack. Got the, well, I mean, he could have done better. Could have been like a gold or something, but I'm not complaining. That is sweet. Okay, next up, 2020 Series 1. Looking for Bo Bichette, Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, a bunch of other rookies like drawing a blank right now. A bunch of other guys in here too. Here we go. Aaron Savale, rookie. Justin Verlander. There's an Aquino, rookie. It's one of the guys he was pretty, everyone was pretty hot for this guy when the product first came out, but I don't know how much he's really panned out. Put it aside, just in case. Luis Garcia, Kevin McCarthy, Vargas, Boyd, Willie Adames, Cubs card, Sox card, World Series Strasburg, Joey Votto 35th throwback, JT Riddle, and a Shane Bieber. Okay. So nothing too outstanding in that pack. Let's see what we got up in this next pack of 2020 Topps Update. Arvis Arena, Trent Grisham, and Bo Bichette. Let's see if we can pull one of those. I think the Bichette is actually the rookie debut. Kershaw, first up. Rich Hill, Eric Davis. That's pretty cool. A throwback. Joe Kelly, Javier Baez, Miguel Cabrera, Christian Arroyo. There's the Trent Grisham, which I don't believe is his actual flagship rookie. I think this is just his updated version from when he's in his Padres uniform as opposed to the Brewers. So that's a cool one. I don't have that one yet. Josh Fegley, Christian Yelich, 85 design, Tuki Toussaint. Looks like giving him a bath. Jalen Beeks and Ryan Howard. All right. Well, we're doing pretty good so far. We got a few more packs here. So let's keep this luck streak going. We got 2021 Bowman Retail next. And here we'll be looking for Austin Martin, Blaze Jordan, Maximo Acosta, Jonas Cespedes, Alcantara, Perez, Sabato, De La Rosa. This one is retail, so I don't believe we have a chance at an auto. But I could be mistaken. I think that if you do get an auto in retail, that it's more than likely going to be a sticker auto. So I did get lucky last month and pulled an auto out of 2020 Bowman. So let's see what happens. Okay, we got a Dylan Carlson rookie. Not too bad. Miguel Cabrera, Max Kepler, Gleyber Torres, Blake Snell, Yu Darvish, Tariq Skubal. Ooh, Jason Dominguez. That's pretty cool. And Nick Lofton Chrome. There's a Blaze Jordan paper. Not bad. It's a pretty good pack. Got the Dominguez and the Jordan in the same pack. Tristan Casas and Seth Beer. All right. Cool. So moving right along, next pack is going to be 2021 Top Series 1. And mostly looking for Dylan Carlson and Joe Adell. There are a few other rookies, Alec Boehm, Ryan Mountcastle, Christian Pache. So pretty big rookie class in this product. See what we get. Starling Marte. Playful Bout of Juniors. Cunha and Guerrero. Brandon Workman. A rookie card of Bobby Dalbec. Brandon Nemo. Adam Frazier. Charlie Morton. Matt Chapman. Okay, we got one of these die cut inserts of Willie McCovey. Okay. Justice Sheffield. Kevin Biggio. Orioles card, Rangers card, and Joey Wendell. Okay, well, nothing too exciting there. All right, here we are. Last pack, 2021 Top Series 2. Got Brian Hayes, Jazz Chisholm, and Alex Kirilloff. So let's see what we can get. Opened up a few packs of this the other day down at the hobby shop, and I was lucky enough to pull one of the, I got the Brian Hayes and a Manny Machado relic card in the same pack, so that was pretty cool. All right, here we go. Ryan McMahon. Tanner Rourke. CJ Crone. Victor Robles. Lance McCullers. Ryan Weathers. Craig Kimbrell. Heaney. Rays. Drew Rasmussen. Jonathan Shoup. Rowdy Tellez. Ryan Presley. And Jared Dyson. Okay. Well, none of the big rookies in that pack, but let's do a quick little recap here and see what we did pull. Not too bad this time around. Been getting pretty lucky these last few months. So I got the Blaze Jordan, first Bowman paper. Got this nice Jason Dominguez Chrome card. Second Bowman year Chrome. Dylan Carlson, rookie card, Bowman. Trent Grisham, update rookie. This Eric Davis. I thought that was a pretty cool image. Put that aside. Got the Aquino rookie card. And of course the Fernando Tatis Jr. I'm going to go ahead and set that in a safe spot real quick so I can get it sleeved up. I got the Dylan Carlson 30th anniversary Bowman rookie. Laureano rookie, Verdugo flagship rookie, really nice, and this pretty cool Don Mattingly throwback. So that's about it, guys. Let me know what you thought down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks as always for watching, and until next time, take care. Peace.